In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a minimalist coffee shop logo in Canva using AI. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished logo you can download and use right away, keeping the process simple and beginner-friendly. First, open Canva and use the search bar at the top to type logo. This brings up a gallery of ready-made logo templates as well as a blank logo canvas. You can choose any template if you'd like a head start on layout and typography, or pick a blank canvas if you prefer full control. A square canvas is standard for logos and works well across social media, menus, and packaging. Next, let's open Canva's AI features. On the left sidebar, click the three dots labeled More. Scroll down until you see AI Tools. Depending on your interface, you might see options like Magic Write or Logo Maker. If you see Logo Maker AI, go ahead and open that. This is where the AI can generate logo ideas from a simple description. Now we'll generate the initial logo concepts. In the prompt field, type Minimalist Coffee Shop Logo, brown and cream, modern font. Keeping prompts clear and concise usually produces better results. Click Generate and let Canva create a few variations. Review the options and select the one that's closest to your vision. Think of this as your starting point. We'll refine it next. With your favorite concept selected, customize it to fit your brand. Replace any placeholder text with your shop name and tagline, and choose a modern, readable font. Adjust the colors to a warm brown and soft cream for a clean coffee-inspired palette. If there's an icon, you can swap it for a simple cup, bean, or steam graphic, and then tweak size and spacing for balance. Use alignment tools to center elements, and zoom in to fine-tune edges while also zooming out to see how it reads at smaller sizes. Keep it minimalist. Fewer elements often look cleaner and more professional. When you're happy with the result, it's time to download. Go to the top right, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for a crisp, high-quality image. If you need to place the logo on different backgrounds, check Transparent Background. Note that this option requires a Canva Pro plan. If you don't have Pro, you can still download with a solid background color that matches your brand. That's it. You've created a clean, modern coffee shop logo using Canva's AI, customized it to your style, and exported it for use across your brand. Try a few prompt variations to explore different looks, and refine until it feels just right.